welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I'd do a little unboxing. I had purchased these a while back. I don't remember exactly what they all look like. I believe these are all the orders that I placed, but they finally shipped them because I kept holding them and then they just kind of needed to get them out, I imagine. So I'm going to be opening this for you guys today, and we're going to go, I guess, down memory lane of what I purchased many months ago, because it's been a while since I bought this. So let me get some scissors and we'll open this box real quick. So these are all purchased from Sincerely Riley. Sincerely Riley, yes. They have really good fabric. I love their fabric so far, and the pricing's really good. They do boxes or bundles for a decent price, so you can, if you're able to, purchase a bundle. I'll tell you how many yards usually for that bundle, and then she has, like, I don't want to say necessarily color themes, but she's got different options that she puts together and offers. It's kind of nice, different pricing, and there's other fabric that you can purchase from her as well. I haven't bought from her in a while. Every time I try to get one of the bundles, it would sell out literally within the minute she uploaded it. If within seconds you didn't have on your cart and pay for it, it's gone. So with that being said, this is what I managed to get a while back. So we'll see, let's see. Alright, so it took me a moment to open this, but I got it open. So, let's see. Ooh, I like what I see. It's a pretty color. So here's the first one. I'm gonna put this down here for a moment. It's actually kind of pretty. It's got like a pretty stitch to it. I'm not sure what you would call this, but if you can see that well. It's got a pretty color too. I wonder if it's big enough to get the cardigan. I might not have enough, but I'll come up with something for it though for myself. I also have this color. It seems to be, it's actually a different type of fabric. So if you can see the right there. Beautiful color too. And these are not all my orders. This is just one of them. Okay, and then there's this one. It's actually gray, but for some reason it looks slightly different on camera. Ooh, I really like this one. I like these three. This is pretty. I don't remember buying this though. Let me look online real quick and see if I can find what I'm missing, because I know that I have ordered something else. I know I'm missing some, so I'm gonna have to go back through and search which orders I got and which ones I haven't yet, and just at this point ask them to send it. I know she's had them for a while, because you can put a hold on them, and then once you fill up a bigger box, they'll, because every time you place an order, you pay for shipping. And if you place another order and there's room on the prior order, then they'll just combine those orders and then they'll issue you a refund if there's a refund needed. I think it is for shipping or something along those lines. They have a group on Facebook and they have their website, so I can link the website down below. But they have really nice fabric. I'm really excited about these. I'm gonna go look back and see when I purchased these and how much. It definitely looks, I think, like 2 yards at least of the gray. Maybe one of that blush color, and then possibly 2 of the other one. I'm unsure, but I'm excited to see what I make with them. I haven't done anything else with the other fabric, because initially I was going to use it for headbands, but now I'm deciding whether or not I want to do that or actually make something for myself. Alright, so looking back at my order, that color, actually, this color is actually supposed to be brown. I thought it was gray, like a dark gray, but it's brown. I got 3 yards of that, 3 yards of the cream, and then 2 yards of rose gold. That's what that color is. And then I'm actually waiting for 2 other orders, which I thought I was. So this was a bundle that she put together. It was mixed knits and wovens, 8 yards, and I had put my order on hold, so I'm going to ask her about those. But other than that, those are the ones that I have so far. For some reason I thought they were all in the same box, but I was mistaken. So it's okay though. I'll send them a message and hopefully get that fabric in. You guys, I placed this order back when, let me see, there's a date on this. There's not. This is sometime last year. Oh gosh, this goes back months in last year. So yeah, definitely time to get those here. So I haven't had luck getting any more orders or being able to score one of her bundles. So I'm just gonna ask her to ship the other 2 orders, and then that should complete everything. So for today, I think that's it. I don't have much more going on. I'm actually gonna start cleaning the house, clean the room here, get some laundry put away, and see if I can make some baby clothes. So I might make that video depending on how things go today, and I'll put it on the other channel. So it's going to be a gift for, depending on how much time I put into it, it's gonna be 2 separate people or just a gift for one special person. And I am taking care of 2 little kittens, one's a boy, one's a girl. They're siblings. I got them according to the person. They were 8 weeks old. So tomorrow-ish or sometime, probably already this week, they turn 9 weeks old. I'm gonna go off of when I got them, so I can kind of somewhat keep track of how old they are. They are doing well. They're finally getting kidder litter trained, and they're starting to eat solid kitten food. I have them on kittened soft food, so that's what we're doing with them. And they sleep through the night. It's great. It is so great. It's so, but we have them in a small room where they can still play. They have water, food, cat litter that gets cleaned, and initially I had them some weird, but when I first got them, I had them in a laundry basket, but the short ones, with a really warm blanket, and they would just snuggle up in there and they'll sleep. But they figure out how to jump out of there. So I had a bed that Sophia doesn't use. Now she wants to use it, obviously, but a bed that she didn't use prior, and I put that in there instead once they kind of outgrew the basket. And it was a pretty big basket too, so it's not the tall ones, but the wider one. And that's what they were initially in within the first, like, I want to say 2 days. By the 3rd day, I had them in the other bed, and ever since, they kind of been sleeping on that bed, and they know that wherever that is, they kind of just go in there and snuggle up. I did notice that it got a little too hot for one of them, so they kind of like spread out outside of it. And then Sophia went and kicked another one out, so I went and grabbed her bed, put it right in front of it, and I went ahead and put the kittens in there. So then she gave me the look of, how dare you? But then I looked at her and said, you kicked them out. So yeah, that's been fun. So right now she's back where they were sleeping, and they're sleeping where she was sleeping. So let me get a video of that real quick. You guys can see that is usually Sophia's bed. That's where she sleeps. So the kittens are in there, and Sophia is where they were sleeping. She wasn't using this. She only used it a handful of times, not even. But ever since I put them in there, now she wants that one. So then I put them in this one. So I have them where I can see them, make sure they're okay, and I'm making sure that they have plenty of water, food. I actually have food right next to me just in case. And I've been taking them to the cat litter box just to make sure that, hi there, Shadow, that they're going potty. My goal is to have them all, be out in the living room. I love her eyes, where they can just be together and enjoy. But right now Sophia wants to play like she plays with me, and it's a little too rough for them. So I'd rather be careful until they're a little bigger. And by the way, that was Sophia, my latest set of scratches. Hi. So, but that's what we're at. Alright guys, well that was the update I wanted to provide on this and what I've been up to. I haven't had really orders on Etsy, so it's been quiet on that side. I do need to redo my Etsy on a lot of things, and I should be working on that pretty soon. I hope everyone enjoys their weekend and has a happy Easter, and have a good time with your loved ones, and stay safe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and comment and subscribe if you like, And if not, that's okay too. So have a good day. Bye.